You appeared in the test in March, in the month of March. You got your
Yes,
offer letter.
actually, yeah, in 17th of August. Actually, that process was so long. Actually, my name is Uday Reddy, and I'm from CMO College of Engineering and Technology. Currently pursuing BTech final year. So about myself, this is actually my about myself, and what's more,
Uh, BTech final year, which stream?
from computer science and engineering.
Computer science engineering. And
Yeah.
okay, so my first question is like, when Cognizant came to your college?
Yes. Like Cognizant have visited to our college March around March 15th actually.
March.
So yeah, March 15th.
Oh,
When we are in 3-2 actually.
acha. I didn't know. Like they visited so early, isn't it?
Yes. Actually, this Cognizant is like a digital nature program. Actually, this is not actually a Cognizant, but this Cognizant have put it a digital nature program, and they have selected a students before a semester. Actually, this Cognizant used to come to our college as an 8th semester, but they have visited our college in 6th semester this year as a name of digital nature. And it will also be coming in this 8th semester also. So they'll be hiring in 8th semester too.
Oh, again they will be hiring.
Yeah.
Acha,
Yeah,
acha.
yeah, yeah.
You just got means prior to this came and they hired few of you guys. Okay.
Yeah, and they trained us in different technologies like Java, .NET. So yeah,
Acha, Java.net. So basically you had three rounds, right? One is
yeah,
online.
online.
Online. How tough was online, and what was the platform for the online test?
It was Metal platform actually.
Metal platform.
Metal.
Okay.
Yeah. I can say that first and how that was done actually. So there was two coding questions in our first round, and I saw that two coding questions that was like easy level. I can say that not even medium, easy level.
Coding questions on array or string. Can you just give us hide?
Yeah. I'll. So the coding question is like they'll be giving a binary numbers like 0101. We need to count how many zeros were present in that.
Oh,
So
okay.
that is the one coding question, and the other is from strings, but I have not know the exact question on string,
Yeah.
but that was on string actually.
Before moving into this video, I have a great news for my audience. An Academy लेके आ गया एक नया super duper amazing app Next Level. Next Level is an ultimate platform जहाँ you can showcase your skills, your expertise, and without degree you can unlock the jobs. So guess what? How you can build your profile? You can build it by competing and winning coding competitions on the app with others. The idea is very simple. Next Level will help you to create a professional profile of your career. The more you win, the better your rating. And not only that, top 3 rank holders across front-end, back-end engineers are going to get MacBook Air, iPad, or Kindle Paperwhite, like these kind of stuff. And top 25 rank holder across each category will receive certificate of appreciation. So what are you waiting for? Go and invite your friend, level up, and yeah, unlock the job. To install the app, you will be in the waiting list. So to level up in the waiting list, you need to invite your friend, you need to refer to your friends. So to move up, you need to refer to your friends, and yeah, you can play with them. I'm already on the app. You can use my coupon code AMI4182. You can use my coupon code, and yeah, come and let's compete with each other. Now, on top of everything, this app is in Play Store and App Store. App Android user, iOS user, you can play. Anyone can play. So go ahead, all the links are there in the description. Go and download and check out this app. Not only that, the playing time has also increased from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. And guess what? Next Level has partnered with multiple companies.
Other question was string. Yeah, so these were the two coding questions, and then one database question. Like that database question, I can say that is just tough to me actually. So I have not solved that database question. I just
Question was
left it out.
like on joins, or could you give us the hint? What was the question?
Yeah, it was like they have displayed a table to us, and they have asked a question like the employees which were like something on an employees table they have displayed, and they have asked a question on employee salary, something that was not actually basic question, that was actually somewhat advanced, I can say that.
Including joints, means it was a joint
Yeah,
question.
including joints actually.
Yeah, got it. I got it.
Yeah.
Okay, so one database question, two coding question, and rest
And web technology MCQs.
web technology
Like
MCQ. How many MCQs were there?
there were 10 MCQs.
12,
10.
10 MCQs.
Yeah.
And what was the level?
Like I can say that was like a medium level.
Medium
Like
level.
like what jQuery does,
Oh,
and where we use our HTML, where we use our CSS, and how we transfer data like from JavaScript.
oh, completely. The 10 question were on web technologies. Mhm.
Yes, the complete 10 MCQs were from web technologies actually.
Ah, got
Yeah.
it. So basically, they asked in the metal platform front end, back end,
Yeah.
and database. They covered
Yeah.
everything.
Yeah.
Nice. This is so. How many student cleared the first round, and how many appeared?
Actually, 53 members were cleared this online test actually.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
and then from this, everyone were almost qualified for TR round. Like around 48 members, I think 46 or 48 members were qualified for again TR round. After this digital nature that engagement program, they have qualified for TR, like technical round.
Okay. And what is the duration between the TR and the first round? How much time it took for result?
So at 9th of July, I have interviewed for this technical round, and on 22nd March, we have
Now
got our
let's jump into
online
this
test
video.
results.
In the technical round, what was the level of the question? How many programming language did you get? I would not ask you, I would not suggest you to share the question exact, because that is against the policy of any company. You cannot share your
Yes.
question. But you
Yes.
can share like the level, like if you are a good programmer already. So suppose somebody has started from today, how
Yeah.
many months they require to complete or to crack those interviews?
Yeah, actually, for cracking Cognizant is like the guy should not be so good at DSA. Actually,
Yeah.
if she or he is good at basic programming, that will be good enough to crack Cognizant. Actually,
I know. Yeah, basic programming of string, array, or
addition. Yeah,
that's what even I have shared one programming list on my channel. I don't know how many of people have watched, but those are the basic programming they asked in Cognizant. That's what I have experienced also. And what is the what apart from the CS? Did they ask question on other subject like networking or
no, actually,
no?
no.
Okay. Only to you or
No, not for our friends. Her friends too. Only they have asked many questions on OOPS and a coding question.
oops question? I know. Yeah, oops is
Yeah.
very important. Oops concept
Yeah.
and coding
Yeah.
questions. How many coding questions
Yes.
are there?
Actually, one
One coding question. And
coding
is there
question.
any DB question database?
Database question was not there actually. For my friends, they have asked
They have asked
database.
because I also
Yeah.
know they ask you the fundamental of the programming language. They will ask you one coding question, and they will ask you a few database questions, right?
Yes.
And any quant question?
No, actually.
Not to you or to anybody?
Not to everyone actually.
Oh, this year they did not ask. Actually, last year
No.
they asked quant questions as well. So this year,
But for us, that was not there actually.
okay. Quant question was not there.
35 members were selected for HR round, and
Okay.
after HR, 32 members got an offer letters.
32 member got offer letter. Okay.
Yeah.
And total out of 32, 5 member got Gen Z next offer.
Gen Z next. Yeah.
Okay. It's only from CS stream or some other stream are also there?
Yeah, other stream was also there, but for CSC they have selected us for Java.
Huh.
And from other streams like EC, Triple Civil, they have chosen .NET people.
.NET. Okay.
Yeah, like these were the period of this platform is like for 2 months actually, like March to July. So actually we got 2 months of time. So yeah, on that basis we just used to solve our coding questions on Java. Like that will be on Spring Boot, Spring Maven.
Oh,
So in depth of Java actually, but I can say that this Java Spring Boot was not actually asked in our technical round. Just only for that platform sake they have conducted that, and that was good actually. Actually there was a 10-star actually. We should reach to 10-star rating.
okay.
After that 2 months of period, doing a hour per day, that will be more than enough.
Basically, my second question would be, when the Cognizant visited in March, when did you receive your offer letter?
I received my offer letter at 17th of August.
You appeared in the test in March, in the month of March. You got your offer letter?
Actually, yeah, in 17th of August. Actually, that process was so long actually.
Means process was long, like I didn't understand.
Yeah, like they have like our first online test was taken on 20th March. So our letter of intent was released on 17th of August.
How many rounds were there?
Actually 3 rounds: online test, TR and HR.
So every rounds, it might have happened in March itself, right?
Yeah, but after online test, they have given a platform, and they have said us to learn about Java. Oh, for some students, it was Java, and remaining for .NET.
Okay.
So they have, yeah.
It's kind of early engagement kind of program.
Yes. After then, after completion of that program, they have conducted some of us to TR. Not everyone. A technical round. Sorry.
Okay. So those who cleared that program, that means the early engagement program, they got these TR round. They appeared for the TR round.
TR round, yes.
Okay. When did you started preparing, or you were already prepared throughout the year? How was
actually? Yeah, actually, I was very good at data structures, but this program, but this program was actually focused on a basic programs actually, like a simple programs, not at all on data structures. So, so that is the reason I have cleared this Cognizant in a good and pure way.
Oh, nice. So, how would you rate yourself in data structure? Like, you started
5 out of 5.
How much?
5 out of 5.
5 out of 5. Oh my God. You're so good at that then.
Actually, data structures was my favorite subject since 2 actually.
Oh, nice. Yeah. Then this is not the final destination for you. I can see somewhere else. I can bet on this. Correct.
Yeah.
Correct. And tell me about your preparation journey. You said your DSA is very strong. Like, how would you suggest the other people who are watching this? Means, what is your suggestion? How they should prepare?
Yeah, actually, the DSA is like a big ocean, but if we are good with our basics, that is more than enough to solve any DSA problem. Actually, I can say that. So, firstly, we should be able to good in at any one of the programming language, either C, C++, Java, or Python. Anyone is good enough. According to them, they can learn any one of the programming language. Actually, they should be perfect with the basics. So when we are perfect with the basics of any programming language, so we can able to analyze a any big coding question, and we can code in our own way, like not in this method or not in that method. We can code in any way as we want. That when that works out is like when we are good with our basics. So I suggest everyone to first learn a good programming language.
Hmm. And
So
could you share your resources, like from where you started learning?
actually, there were many coding websites like we can learn a programming language actually. So I can say that learning is like 20% of us, but practicing is like 80% of
Yeah,
our
learning
way.
is 20%, practice is
And
80%.
practicing is,
Yeah.
yeah, by learning we can only learn like a simple code or a simple algorithm, but by practicing we gain from their mistakes, from our mistakes, and we learn most of the things as learning.
Ah, got it, got it. So
Yeah,
basically, which platform you would like to prefer? I mean, for practicing, what you prefer?
lead code,
Lead code.
lead code actually. Yeah.
Okay. And the learning resource, which website you have referred?
Greek for Greeks is the best way I can say. Like they will be giving our hints, like every code, like each line by line code, they will be explaining by comment lines, so that we can understand in a pure and easier way. I can say that.
Agree, agree, agree. So
Yeah.
actually, there is a, like you can see on the on YouTube, there is a very much popular funda to clear any FANG is a DSS sheet. Do you believe in that?
Yeah, I'll be believing that. I actually, before my interview, I have followed that Strivers STE sheet.
Huh.
That I can say that will be a like a good and valuable sheet. I can say that that sheet we should solve when we are perfect with our DSA, with our basic programming. So when we are perfect in both of this, we can solve that sheet as well. But before solving that sheet, we should be perfect in our programming language.
Okay. So basically,
Yeah.
how would you suggest to those people who have just started their journey in DSA? Suppose I have zero knowledge in DSA. Should I
Yeah.
directly jump to the sheet?
No, no, no. Actually, no. If you jump to that sheet, also you will be somewhat depressed as you
Exactly.
cannot
That's what.
solve.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A sheet is basically it's for those who have already achieved a level up in the DSA.
Yeah.
That's what. Then for practicing purpose, they can use that sheet, right?
Yeah, I can say that sheet will be in level 3. In level 2, the data structures. In level 1, the basic programming. When you clear the level 1 and level 2, you will be jumping into level 3. But without clearing that level 2, you cannot jump into the level 3. It will be hard to us.
Exactly. So basically, the funda which people means most of the people are like misguided. Some of the people, what they do, they simply go through the sheet, they spend time, on solving only those particular questions. But I believe
Yeah,
if
yeah.
you don't have basics, if you don't know what
Yes.
like DSA, data structure, what are there, what we have different type of data structure, then if you're directly jumping into the sheet, that's not going to help. And do you believe
Yes.
anybody who has zero knowledge on DSA, what is your opinion? Actually, I want to know. Suppose a person
Actually,
is having zero knowledge on DSA, then how much time they need to be good enough to crack any FANG interview for DSA?
yeah, actually, it will be around 3 to 4 months is like
Okay.
a very good time actually.
Ah,
So we can if she or he is good in a programming language, then learning DSA is like in a DSA will be like not, I can say, not so easy or not so hard, but it will be in medium enough to learn DSA. That will be good. But a guy who doesn't know the basic programming and jumping to the data structures, it will be hard to him or her,
okay.
because they were not able to learn the programming language. How can they learn the DSA, right? Yeah.
Exactly. So basically, in your suggestion, those who have the basic knowledge in programming, if they are spending 3 to 4 months, or then they can be good enough in data structure.
Yeah, sure. That will be good.
Okay, so that's like it's not like a 1 month or 2 months you can crack any FANG. It's not
Yeah.
practically it is not
Yeah.
possible.
I can say like if we learn like if we aim to learn in a 1 or 2 months, that will be so stress to us, and will be like will be in like hurry mode, like I should finish this in 1 month or 2 months, so that will be not be like a good practice to us on a DSA. So when we spend a more time, that will be useful for our lifetime, right? But when we spend a time like 1 or 2 months, that will be like only for that 6 months of period or 7 months of period, and then we just forgot it.
Exactly. That's what happened. So, yeah, I totally agree with your suggestion. That's what I wanted to know. Like, it's not only me who thinks like it's not achievable in 1 or 2 months. Even I
Yeah.
think so. I have spent a lot of time on, I still code after my working hour. I still do some of the kind of reading kind of things or practicing kind of thing just to
Yeah.
keep myself in touch with those, programming language or data structure. Because in the
Yes.
industry, you don't get a chance to work on DSA. You are working
Yes.
on REST APIs. That's what you are building. So you don't, you basically you forget those things, those algorithms. So
Yes.
I still code, and that's what I always get shocked when people say within 1 month, within 2 months, you are good to go with the DSA. I said like, no, yeah, it's not.
Yeah, that will be so headache to us actually.
Exactly. Even if you learn today and try to complete it as soon as possible, you will forget the third day, the same thing.
Yeah.
And you need to again start from the basic. So that's
Yes.
what happened.